I'm here to show you how to get started with the UDB free trial. We start by filling in the registration form on the website. And we submit the form to get the download link for the 30-day UDB free trial. And if we click the link, we can download the archive. It's a little over 100 megabytes to download. Once downloaded, we can go to our console and extract this archive. This creates an new folder which we can look inside, and there's an examples folder in here that we can go into as well. Let's use the stack smash example as it's quick and simple. Having built this example, we can launch it with the UDB binary in the folder above. UDB functions as an enhanced or augmented GDB, so as with GDB, let's use run to launch the application. And the application is stocked with a segfault with the program counter pointing to 0. Let's use backtrace to check the stack to see what's going on. It appears the stack is corrupted with zeros, so let's use the reverse step I command to step one instruction back in time. We have a valid program counter, so UDB knows where we are. Let's check the backtrace once again. We are in the foo function, but the stack is still corrupted. Let's set a breakpoint at the start of foo. We can use reverse continue to run execution backwards until we hit that breakpoint. Here we are at the start of foo, and if we run backtrace again, the stack is no longer corrupted. I can use list now to show you the full source code of foo. We can see the stack is being corrupted by writing beyond the end of an array on the stack. This was a simple example of how you can use time travel debugging with UDB to analyze a memory corruption issue.